Tired of boring cuts and simple fades? Then you need to level up your video edits right now. I am showing you the top 5 transitions in DaVinci Resolve that will make your viewers go wow. Let's dive in. Number 1, cross dissolve. So in the edit page, here I have got two clips, and go to the effects and in the video transition search for cross dissolve and drag it between the two clips. Second, crash zoom. Now in the edit page, go to the effects and here in the video transition search for crash zoom and drag it and place it between the two clips. Number 3, rotate 90 degree. Go to the effects and here in the video transition search for rotate 90 degree and drag it and place between the two clips. Number 4, stretch blur. Now in the effects in the video transition search for stretch blur and simply drag it and place between the two clips. Number 5, zoom in. In the effects, go to the video transition and search for zoom in and drag it and place it between the two clips. And if you found any problem while placing the transition effect between the two clips, then you need to trim down the size of the video length from the end or from the starting point. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if this video is any helpful for you, then make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.